स्मूथ कर
Nice one, Thomas.
कितने टाइम से रिकॉर्ड
Sender.
अभी स्टार्ट होना पानी डालेंगे अभी स्टार्ट
Good shot. Throw. Pass. Go wait. Ball.
Come on.
Get it. How ball. Thomas take it. Bennett be free. Stay in the middle. Pass Lucky, fast. Da padukka kodukana. Padukka urichi kodukka. Fall back and cover.
Shoot.
Lucky pass. Lucky pass. That's too hard. Fall back, Thomas. Bennett. Bennett. നീ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകണ്ട. നീ ഇവിടെ ഫ്രീ ആയി നിനക്ക് പന്ത് വരും. Fast. Hey.
എടാ പതുക്കെ
കൊടുക്കടാ.
Daniel, go back your position. Okay. Go, Daniel.
പോട്ടെ
തോമസ് പതുക്കെ നല്ല ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ പാസ് കൊടുക്കും. നമ്മൾ അവിടെ കളിച്ചതാണ്, അവിടെ ഇട്ടതാണ്.
Daniel, go tackle now. Come back.
Cover him, man. Lucky put a block.
Advait, cover up.
Wait, cover the man.
ബെനറ്റ് കുറച്ച് ഫ്രണ്ടിലേക്ക്
Daniel, forward.
മതി.
Daniel, be free.
Only one of you. Feel play free. Both together. Come here. Wait, that's leave it. Wait, take a kick.
कुछ
Come here.
Mark the man, Daniel.
Play Bennett. Man on. Bennett free. Bennett go. Ball back. നിന്റെ ആളാണ്. Take him. Number 4.
കവർ ചെയ്യും ഒരാൾ
അതാണ് നിന്റെ ആള്. പോ. Keeper be ready. Keeper collect. Nice. Next pass. Don't lose it there. Carry. Bennett free. Wait, Bennett free. Go.
Come on, Advait.
Ref.
Wait.
Daniel.
Bennett. അവന് പിടിക്ക. Enough. Stay there. Let him be free there. When he comes, he catches. Watch the ball, Bennett. See the run. Wait. Focus in the game.
തോമ അവിടെ പൊട്ടി ഇവിടെ നിൽക്കണായിരുന്നു ഓക്കെ
നീ ആവിങ്ങ കളിച്ചാൽ മതി. Be free there. Hey, put a block on the shot. Cover. Nice. Bennett. Wait. Don't go, friend. Let them hear you from the back. Stay here. Cover your man. Thomas. That man. Wait here. Stop, you stay there. Please cover it. Let it go.
Daniel.
Wait. Bennett, don't go behind that. Bennett, be free here. Go. Bennett free now. Good try, Thomas. Come back.
Come on. Shoot.
One more. Let it go. Thomas, take it. Go in.
ബെനറ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ പോ
Daniel,
See Lucky, give, Lucky. Thomas, ഒരു സിമ്പിൾ പാസ് ഇടാ അവന്. എവിടെയും അടിച്ചു കളയാം, അവന് വെറുതെ ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്താൽ പോരെ, അവനെടുത്ത് കളിക്കും.
ഞാൻ ആരെങ്കിലും വിളിക്കണോ?
Wait, your man. തോമസ് അവന്റെ പുറകില്.
എടാ അവന്റെ ഒപ്പം നിക്കടാ.
അവന്റെ പുറകില്.
നീ ആ വഴിയാ വരുന്നത്.
Go, Bennett, stop it. Gary, go, you ball. Go, you got him. അടിക്കടാ ഫസ്റ്റ്. Lucky, go. Bennett free.
എടാ
Bennett corner.
ആ കൊച്ചു കാല്
Wait, there's a player behind you. Lucky, go, get him. ഞാൻ ദീപകിന് നമ്പർ അയച്ചു തരാം. അവിടെ സ്ലോട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കളിക്കും. ഒരു ഹാഫ് കോട്ട് ഓൾറെഡി ബുക്ക് ആക്കണം. ദീപകിനോട് വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ പറയണം മറ്റേ ഹാഫ് കോട്ട് ഓൾറെഡി ബുക്ക് ആണെന്ന് പറയണം.
ലൈബ്രറി പോകാൻ നമുക്ക് സ്കൂളിലെ
Go.
ലൈബ്രറി പോകാൻ സ്കൂളിലും പോയിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ.
Thomas, quick pass.
നീ എന്തെല്ലാം വിളിച്ച് പറ.
Pass here, base is free.
ഞാൻ മറ്റേ
Keep up. Come, get the ball, Bennett. Everyone will play, don't worry. Get out. Let it go. Thomas, first time. Bennett. Lucky, go free. Keep. Nice.
Come on, go.
Bennett free.
Yeah, come in. One hold.
Shot. Thomas, come back. Stop the ball. Control first. Control. Play. Don't pass it. Kick. That's a very risky pass. Play here. Don't dribble out. Watch. Cover him. Bennett, go. You got it. Go. Shot. Hey, listen. Daniel, just play with your position. What is that? Get out. Come back. Arnold.
अभी बारिश चालू हुआ
No direct shot.
तो बारिश इस सतह में नहीं होगा, बड़ा वाला सतह चाहिए इसके लिए। छोटा वाले में बारिश गिरेगा।
Bennett, after us he should run into the goal, okay? Go. Nice line. But go on and hit the goal.
कैसे रखूं इसको?
Lucky. For every sideline kick, I want you to put a block. Otherwise, they'll shoot like this.
If it rains anyway, we'll remove
Hey,
it.
Thomas.
No, आप पकड़ लो, मैं रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ. Thank you.
Sideline out, wait, take it.
बारिश तो गिरेगा ही।
Bennett, move down. Hold in the middle. See Bennett.
Come on, Chase.
Wait. Never play in front of the D-box. Play here. Cover your man. Bennett. The guy in the middle. Wait.
Come on, again.
रोज भाई रख के रखो यार, एक बार
Bennett, go. You got him. Take it and go. Go.
एक बार ऑलरेडी कैमरा डैमेज कर दिया है.
Lucky, Bennett free. Lucky. For no reason, don't fall. Stay up.
बारिश हो तो
No, it is right there.
बारिश का कोई इधर का कोई पता नहीं, कभी भी इतना स्पीड आता तो अंदर भी जाने नहीं देगा।
Control the ball. Run it fast. Nice, go. Thomas, நல்ல பாஸ் கிடைக்க. Stop him. Let's go up. Nice. Thomas, play now. Our ball. Thomas, take it.
इसके पैर में लगा है।
Thomas, strong shot. Lucky. Go there. Control the ball. Hey guys, that is his ball, right? Why are you going?
തോമ അത് കവർ ചെയ്യടാ, കവർ ചെയ് കോർണർ. എടാ തോമ കോർണറാണ്.
Daniel, stay in the center. Carol, center. Come on, Carol, shoot. Come.
You come here.
If I hurt him, I kicked him and anyway, it is unfound.
Fine. More. But you're playing alone, you're not passing. When you have a player free, why you need to go to the goal to pass? From here only you can pass. Then you go in, then you can pass.
Sir, but when I'm trying to check,
Make a dribble, clear the gap, no pass. Wait, stay focused. You're losing your focus. When I say cover this guy, you cover this guy. When the new guy come into the D box, you should leave this guy and go back. That's what I should tell. You should know, right? Huh? And when you get a ball, no, never in front of the D box. If our teammates miss, they will kick it in. Right? So pass it on the sideline when it is free here. Pass here. Then he will cross. That's why when I send in, I want you to run. To pass it. Score goal also. It's only one goal lead now. That's not enough in the score mode. They scored one. So understand, I will take it. Don't touch the ball, you can do. Listen. Okay, free kick. That's called indirect kick. If he directly kicks that goal, that's not a goal. That you get it. All other kicks are direct. That one, don't let it go. You should stop. Why you take it? Because it touched, we can next time stop the ball. Minute, that side.
Okay, come. Get the ball.
Wait, rebound will come, watch, stay there only. Our shot, move back. Our shot.
Daniel, in front of ball. Daniel, in front of ball. Get back, in center.
Good try. Corner ball. Bennett, go take it, corner. Wait, come to the middle. Sir, come. Go in, corner will come, go score.
Go inside.
Bennett, little more ahead.
Daniel.
See Lucky.
Clear, Abdik. Come on.
Bennett, go.
Clear.
Go again.
Abdik, release or else shoot.
Bennett, take it. Bennett. ऋषि
मैंने उसमें डाली गर्म पानी
इधर सभी है, इधर ये लेके आना है कि मतलब किधर देना है, पूछ लो कि किधर लेके आना है। तो चार को देना था किधर लेके आना है कि मतलब वो तो समझ गया ना, मतलब इधर ही लेके आना है, पूछ लो पूरी।
हाँ वो उन्होंने बोला था, उधर वाले ऑरेंज वाले नहीं बोला था। मैंने सब
ऋषि
Side, mark the man. Daniel. Left, go left.
No, there, forward, Lucky.
Daniel, side, back, side. Just stay there. Daniel.
ऋषि
Come, Daniel. Hard ball, come. Okay, go.
നിനക്കിട്ട പാസ് അത് cover him, go run.
Pass him. Make a pass.
Behind him. Bennett, cover this side.
Good ball, turn. Okay, shoot, Daniel.
Clear the ball. No.
Good one.
Wait.
Good one, Daniel.
Wait.
Fall back.
Don't stop the ball and wait. Pick the ball out on time. Rishi, number 4. Cover him behind.
Chandu. Fall back. Abdik.
Lucky put a block. Rishi. Play.
Come on. Fall back. Abdik, fall back. Abdik, get the ball. Daniel.
Go, Bennett.
Abdik, shoot. Hard ball.
Keeper. Kavi, it's a direct. You should catch. Don't let it go. Make a wall. Bennett. Wait, cover the player. Come on. This way. When he kicks, run in.
Daniel, along front of the ball.
Go. Daniel, go, Daniel. Daniel. Number 10. Daniel, to stand in front of the
Cover that guy. Number 4. Go.
Come back.
Behind him. Behind him. Behind
Daniel,
him.
go. Daniel, go. Hey,
Wait. Cover number.
Daniel, what about him? Pass him down. Daniel, go, press him. Down. Shoot. Adik, pass. Go. Go, shoot. Let's go.
Goal is goal. Come back.
Daniel.
Here is smoking.
Where? The one second.
Cover him, Daniel. Daniel, come here, Daniel. Goal kick. Wait, keeper, wait.
Okay. Go behind him.
ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋ ಸಮೇತ್ ಓಯ್ ಅಜಯ್ ಲೆಸ್ಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಬಾಲ್ ನೋಡು
You got it.
ಗೋಲ್ ತಗೋ ಓಯ್ ಬಾಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
Lucky, leave it. Ritvik take. Lucky go in. Sava ball da.
Adik get back back Adik
Lucky free.
get out cover him go get out good one go get out
Pass Lucky. Lucky go. Your shot. Go.
defend get out get the ball set good one
Control the ball.
clear get out
Bennett, get the ball da.
get out pass to Jannal
Bennett.
Jannal
This guy. Cover it.
come on Jannal good one go Jannal
Wait. When you lose the ball, go back and cover.
ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ
Lucky, make a ball. Bennett. ಅವನ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕವರಿ. ಅವನ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಕ್ಕೆ. Go. You got it, Lucky. What's there? Game is happening there.
Get out. Come back. Jannal go inside. On goal.
Play. Pass. Go up. You got it. Go.
Samik.
Take it.
Call the defense.
See where.
Go. Cover him.
No, Bennett. Bennett, go shoot.
Get out. Adik. Take direction. Jannal, wait.
Keeper, direct is not a goal.
Get back. Adik, take direct. Daniel, Adik, take direct. Jannal, come up.
Hey, Ritik. Don't be in the wall. Cover. Nice, very good block. Go, Bennett. You got it. Go. Lucky free.
Come on, Shabir.
Oi.
Good trade.
Okay, good try.
Yes. Daniel.
Lucky, you got it. Go.
Good one, Jannal. Clear. Clear.
Oh, bad luck. Onnudi. Bennett, pass. Bennett. How about? Hold on. Lucky, be free.
Go back.
Get into a gap. Get into a gap. Get. Nice. Now go.
Shoot, Adik, shoot.
Ritvik. You need to cover him.
Adik. Ball Come here, sir.
Rebound is 12. Ritik. Move behind the ball.
Munde Leave.
Into the frame.
Adik.
You got it. Go. Your shot. Go. Don't let him turn. Nice. Go. Ritvik.
Hey, Daniel, what happened? Why are you standing there? Mark the man then. Not now, wait.
No touch, no touch, no touch, no touch, no touch, no.
Keeper.
Keeper touch the ball.
There is no touch.
Keeper touch the ball.
Kavi, one thing, how many times I should tell you?
Hey, Daniel!
26.
Center start. Adik, stand near the ball. Get back, Adik, get back.
Tell him to leave, sir. Tell him to leave the ball.
Daniel!
Our shot. Sir, our shot. Go.
Adik!
Go.
Clear the ball down. Clear the ball. Keeper. Hey, Daniel! Come here.
Come back. Gauri, man. Thomas, come back. Your ball. Go finish.
First ball.
Body, go. The free kick. Come here. Bennett, come for the kick. You are taking the kick.
Ball vechchiru.
When I say, just pass the ball.
With Adik.
Keeper. It is a direct keeper. Direct.
Wait. No, Bennett. Bennett, he will take. Rebound will come. Watch.
Left leg board up.
Bennett free.
Shoot. Clear the ball down. Clear the ball away.
Go. Thomas, go, you got it. All. Take on. Keeper kick the ball. Keeper kick the ball, sir. What are we watching?
At a corner.
It's a corner. Keeper kick the ball out.
Keeper kick the ball out.
Hey, wait.
काल
At least this.
क्या को ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಮಾನ್ ಎದ್ರು ಬಾರೋ ಡ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡು
Get the ball.
ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡು
Why are you on the floor throughout, man?
Come on.
Go. Go. Thomas, go. All ball. Bennett, take it. Thomas, come here.
Number 7.
Score is 5-4 or 5-3?
4. 27.
Keeper. Direct and don't touch. Keeper.
Kavi. Move.
Go. Bennett, go, get him. Wait, focus. Hey, Thomas, this wing. Bennett, right in the middle. Cover. Direct is not a goal, Kavi. Shot! Thomas, come back. Go, you got him. You got him. You got him. You got him. Middle. Move back. Cover the man. Keep it in front. Keep it in front, sir.
Hey, Daniel.
Cover the man. Little. One step.
Jayas. Go, stop the ball. Clear.
Guy Thomas. One more. Bennett.
Atik.
Thomas.
Daniel, go back. Daniel, mark the man.
Control the ball. Go, get him. Shot.
Shoot, Atik. Atik, get the ball.
Go get it. Bennett, come.
Atik, get up.
Keeper will throw the ball. എടുത്ത് അടിച്ചോടാ. Sabi coming. See Thomas free.
Good one, Jay, good one.
In play. Sir, that's on the line. How is it out? What rule are we following? What is this now?
Samik, what's your ball?
Gavi, kick the ball out. Oh, nice. Go. Get it.